Welcome. In front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force restart this device, we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until we see the Vivax logo on the screen. Then we can release it, wait for a couple of seconds. After the watch turns off, you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button again. And once you see the logo and the watch vibrates, you can release the button, and as you can see, the watch will boot into system after a second or two. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.